Okay, it's a few minutes after I found that buffalo nickel, which was in 1937, and I got a signal here, and I'm tempted not to do this, to dig a live dig, because usually when I do, it doesn't work out. But this was ringing up on my 3030 as a 1245, which is usually possibly a silver dime. So I'm hoping, and the soil is super easy to dig here, so that's one nice thing, one way I can do this. So hopefully I'll try and keep this steady, although wasn't that deep. I have to pick up the detector here. Should be right in there. Huh. Well, I don't know. Huh. Oh, I hear it. This dirt is so nice. I'll tell you, woods are nice because the ground isn't hard like it has been everywhere else here lately. I think it's too deep to be a coin now, but who knows. The other coins I found in here have been really shallow. Oh, there it is, to buckle. Well, that took a while, but anyway, that's a nice old buckle. All right, see what else we can find.